Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun unboxing. I'm super excited today because I got my new Ruggable in the mail. I got the Delfina powder pink rug in a 5x7 for my living room. I was gonna go up a size, which is basically what the current rug size is, but I thought for the price and also the size of the room that a 5x7 would be fine. So hopefully it is. I am excited to see how it looks. I have just finished decorating for spring and I will share that video very soon with you guys. But my finishing touch for the living room is actually this rug right here. So FedEx was a little rough with my box, but I did not peek, so that's what they did to the top of the box. So let's go ahead and open it. I did want to mention I got the regular rug pad. I did not get the padded one for this room because this rug is going to be a little smaller than my current one. I think just having it flat and normal is fine. I like to have the padded rugs for like kitchen areas and things like that. That works really, really great for me. I'm a huge Ruggable fan. I own 2 in my kitchen, 1 in my dining room, this one for this room, and like multiple different covers. So I'm a big fan and I've purchased all of those on my own, but I would love if you guys would shop Ruggable with me. I will leave links below to all the rugs that I own and I would love if you guys would shop those. So let's go ahead and open this one up. This is tall. Taller than me? Looks like it might be. Right. Oh, what's the easiest way? Maybe to flip it like this? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It's very white with a powder pink print on it. I think it's gonna add just the right amount of pink to this room though. Oh, that's why it wasn't coming off. Hit my ceiling. It's a tall box. There we go. Got rid of that. So they have shrink wrapped the top, but can you guys see? This is the pattern. It's really pretty, very feminine. I'm loving it. All right, here we go. I might need my scissors for this. Probably, no, it's not on the other end either. All right, so let's go ahead and start unwrapping it. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so there's my rug. Okay, and here's my mat. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move this table and get rid of this rug. The one on the floor here is actually washable as well. It's by Lorena Canals and it's been amazing. I love it. But I think that for this time of year, the pink one's gonna be perfect. So let's go ahead and move all of these things out of the way and then I'll show you guys how to place a new Ruggable on your floors. So now that we've got that rug and the table out of the way, let's go ahead and open up this. This is your mat. And this is the flat mat. So it's a little bit easier to deal with than the other one that is padded. It's also cheap. So keep that in mind. There we go. I'm gonna have a lot of trash to throw away after this. So what I like to do is I like to roll this out to where I want it to be. There is a grippy side, which looks like this. And then you have the Velcro-y side that looks like this. And each corner has a actual Velcro piece right here that is going to stick to the underside of your rug. So here we go. So because of the way they rolled this, I'm gonna be rolling under towards myself. also a good idea to let it kind of get flat on its own before you get started, but today we are gonna just go straight for it. Make sure that we are straight. Right. Here's my rug. It's so pretty. I love that powder pink with the white. So what I kind of like to do is kind of make sure it lines up first to where I want it to be. I usually like to have about a ½ inch overhang on the ends, depending on, and on the sides, depending on how much space I have here. So here I go. So about that much, if you guys can see that, is what I like to do, assuming they're all made the same way. So. This process does take time and patience, by the way, so just hang in there. All right, now that we've got the top started, the rest is fairly simple. Just make sure it's pretty flat. And I kind of just flatten out as I go, like this. If you have curled edges when you first get this, I suggest that you take this piece here and put it into this flap right here. And those just kind of help hold the corners down a little bit better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun. I really enjoyed putting this rug out. It gives the perfect feminine touch to this room for springtime, and I'm loving it. I know this rug is mostly white, and then there's pink here and there, and I do have 3 boys and a husband, so I am expecting it to get dirty. But the great thing about Ruggable rugs is that they are machine washable and they wash up perfectly each time. They're super easy to spot clean, so I highly recommend them. I'm not worried about it getting dirty. If you guys want to shop Ruggable, I will leave some links down below for you guys. You can shop through those anytime, and I really appreciate when you do because it helps support my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!